Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, asking me to compare 15 applications, speed test and the RAM management test. Let's see how well this FunTouch UI gonna perform against the Realme UI 2.0. That's what I'm going to demonstrate. And let's start with the basics test, which is a reboot test between these both phones. And this very simple task, friends. 15 applications should not be that kind of much difficult. I would definitely say that. So, but let's see what will happen with this kind of UIs, whether they will be able to manage this many applications in the background or not. So I'm trying to use the 8 plus 4 GB extended RAM capabilities, 8 plus 5 GB in the Realme GT Neo 2. So 8 plus 4 GB and 8 plus 5 GB. So this is going to be really very interesting to see how well this both phones gonna manage the background as a RAM management. First phone to boot up is the Realme GT Neo 2. I got the first phone. And let's go to the Wi-Fi connection and let's see what is happening with the Wi-Fi connection as well. So which kind of Wi-Fi connection both phones are connected, because that's also a very important thing. So both phones are connected to the same kind of 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So clearly we will be able to see that. And let's clear everything from the backgrounds. All the apps should be completely clear from the background. No applications running at this moment. And you can see external RAM capabilities I'm trying to use in the Realme GT Neo 2 and even in the iQOO 7 as well. I wish the FunTouch UI could have added some kind of memory management somewhere around here. That could be really easy for me and even for a lot of other users to see how much of free RAM available every time. So these are the basic 15 applications which I did select during this process of demonstration. You can clearly see, friends. So there's nothing much huge and big games or any kind of big application, nothing included. That's going to be really interesting. So no applications running in the background RAM management. And let's start with the first application, which is a Google Chrome application. Let's see which will open the first 1, 2 and 3. Slightly kind of iQOO 7 little bit, and Amazon Prime. So Amazon, sorry, not Prime. So both phones same Wi-Fi network are connected, and I'm trying to load the phones, and here's Amazon Prime. Next is the Facebook, Flipkart. So you can see the instant reaction is there in the iQOO 7 device little bit in terms of opening speeds. You can see opening speeds, how they are. And is a touch sampling rate application. I'm trying to draw some lines and keeping them in the background RAM management. And next is Myntra, Spotify application. Not bad. So both in loading phone, I think sometimes the Realme GT Neo 2 is slightly faster. So this application doesn't matter much, friends, because so anyway there will be difference of only 1 second and milliseconds. So for that millisecond and 1 second, it's not a huge win, I would say. So the only win will be the background RAM management, which can actually store this many applications. That is what I'm trying to look after. And I'm trying to keep these numbers in the background RAM management in the auto reader. Is a zoom application and a speed test application. And let's do the speed test as well. So very soon I'll try to do the Wi-Fi download speed test as well. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. So those kind of videos will be really very, very interesting to watch. So both phones are dividing equal speeds, like kind of close to. So this is going to be really interesting to see what will happen next. So these are the results which we got, and I'll try to keep these results in the background RAM management only. So yep, let's use the music player. So finally is the Canmaster video rendering application. Ready to close this, and yes. So finally, friends, 15 applications are completely open in the background. As you can clearly see, 15 applications completely there. Okay. Now it's time to check how many applications are exactly there in the background RAM management. Usually I'll try to come from the back side, but few users, they recommended me to start from the first application. But let me try to follow the instruction as well, as requested by few users. From the first application, what I opened the Google Chrome. Okay. I'm trying to click at same time between both phones just to check what will happen with the RAM management. So usually I used to come from the back side, but now I'm coming from the front side only. 1, 2 and 3, boom. The iQOO 7 did not load, it showed instantly. The Realme GT Neo 2 did load a little bit. Now let's see what happens to the Amazon application, which I did keep this phone in the background RAM management. Now we'll be able to understand what is happening. 1, 2, and 3, boom. This Amazon went back to the home screen. The phone is not there, completely gone. You can see clearly what's going on. And next is Prime Videos. Let's come back. Prime Videos 1, 2, and 3. Prime Videos is there in both phones, no problem. Okay, that's kind of good. And Facebook also there. Flipkart took some time in the Realme GT Neo 2, little bit, but still it's there, so no problem. Next is the touch and I think YouTube. Sorry, YouTube for both phones did not reload. And next is the touch sampling rate application. Let's see whether this lines can be there in the background RAM management or not. 1, 2, and 3. So both phones are there RAM management. So the Realme GT Neo 2 did keep, I think, 13 applications in the background, and the iQOO 7 was able to keep 15 applications in the background. So that's the kind of conclusion we can actually come into right now at this moment after watching this complete test. Now I got a clear idea what is going on. You can see that exactly everything is completely there. Rest all the applications. Perfect. Only thing is that the Realme GT Neo 2 can keep up to 13 applications. So 13 applications should not be that kind of big deal, because anyway normal average user, they will be using maybe 5 to 10 applications between this only. So you no need to worry in terms of the RAM management. In case if you're planning to buy this phone, for these applications it should not be that kind of big deal. So 13 applications, but sometimes there are chances that they may close from the background. Sometimes I did face this kind of issues sometimes, but not always, all the time, little bit. So just a little bit the RAM management need to be improved in this device as well. Let's see in the future updates we may see the better results, but I'll try to show you what is the RAM availability after opening this many 15 applications at this moment. Let's go to the RAM availability, and 3 GB is only used and 2.3 GB is available. I'm not sure whether this kind of data is kind of accurate or not in the iQOO 7 device, but you can see what it's showing. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts on this particular topic, and how many applications do you use in the background as a RAM management? So 10 or 5 or maybe 3. So let me know in the comments. I just want to see. So based upon your request, I'll try to plan my videos to upload in that manner only, not concentrating more intense kind of testing, but still there's a really good intense kind of testing which I'm going to do, so which will give a clear idea what is going on as well. And thank you for watching, friends, and stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to follow the playlist for each and every smartphone which I created. All the playlist videos are there for you only to watch. Follow the playlist and look at the videos in case if you plan to buy any other phone. These videos will be really helpful for you to decide what is happening. See you in the next video, and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, and bye.